The following video will walk you through our health and safety procedures from the beginning of on-site construction and until it is complete. Safety at Creagh is our first priority with all our projects, from the design and manufacturing stages through to successful project completion. Prior to the installation of any precast components, a setting-out survey will be carried out. This is to ensure in situ and starter bars are at an acceptable tolerance level of 5 mm. Flagged discrepancies will then be remedied before commencing to the next stage. The precast units will be delivered via articulated lorries, with the units themselves supported on A-frames. Delivery will follow a planned and coordinated schedule to minimize the disruption to site and surrounding traffic. Locations will be designated for easy access and unloading of the precast units. Only qualified slinger banksmen will carry out the lifting or slinging operations for unloading the precast units. Access is gained via mobile elevated work platform. All lifting equipment will be inspected prior to commencing with the lifting operations. If a mobile elevated work platform is not an option on site, access can be gained via ladders with the use of an inertia reel attached to the crane block or a hangman system to protect against falls. A lifting plan will be in place covering all lifting operations, and specialized lifting techniques may be used depending on the complexity of the precast components. Edge protection will be put in place around the trailer. Emergency procedures will be in place for all working at heights activities. Good communication between the banksman and crane operator is essential and shall be maintained at all times, either by hand signals or via two-way radios. During the lifting of the precast units, exclusion zones will be set up where the units are being lifted from and where they are being lifted to. No other trades will be allowed within Creagh's exclusion zones during lifting operations. Once the unit has been lowered onto the pre-leveled shims, bedding mortar, and is in its final position, temporary props are attached before the chains are removed from the crane. Prop tags are added to every prop immediately after it has been erected. These tags are important and state that props are not to be removed while the precast unit is in a temporary phase. Grout is added to the precast units and usage recorded. Weep holes will be drilled to ensure that grout has been added to the entirety of the unit. Temporary props are only removed after all permits have been issued and signed off by the project engineer. Edge protection will be installed as required and as the installation area progresses. Further follow-on trades or wet works to flooring will have the correct PPE worn at all times. All previously mentioned safety protocols will repeat for each floor until the construction is complete. This concludes the summary of Creagh's health and safety procedures on site. Thank you for watching. If you require any further details or information, please contact the Health and Safety Department.